Hello world, I'm Ori. My Android monitor is broken and I want to fix it today. This is the monitor. There is nothing come up on the screen. Normally, when I press a button, there is something come up. This is an old monitor. Maybe the backlighting is not working. We'll open the case and let's see what happened. Alright, I'm about to open the case of the monitor. See the monitor from the back. Okay, there's the monitor type. It's not really clear. First, I will take this monitor base off. There are several screws down there. I'm taking the last screw off. I'm working only with my right hand. My left hand is holding the camera. Okay, there we go. Before actually taking the case off, I need to take two more screws off. Okay, I'm opening the case now. This is pretty hard. Now I'm opening the case. This is the display controller. Seems good. A bit dusty. And this is the power supply. I will open it up.
I'm using one hand only to open it.
Okay, there we go. Bit, not a bit, very dusty, quite dusty. These are the cables to the backlighting. I will measure the output of the power supply. It's 5.23 when it is standby. It's 3. It's not stable when I turn on the press the power button. Two capacitors are bulge. I need to replace them. It's time to inspect the PCB with a magnifying webcam. I have two replacement capacitors. Okay, I have replaced two bulge capacitors with two spare ones. Now I will measure the voltage of the supply. When it is on standby, it's 5.27. Now I will turn it on. There, still stable, so it's good. Now let's see what happened on the screen if I turn this power on. Okay, there's an indicator that displays on now. It's very good. Now it's time to put everything back. Okay, I have fixed the monitor. And now see what happens if I turn this on. The middle button is the power button. There we go. See? It's on now. Oh.
Thank you.
Okay, the monitor is working now. Please watch my other videos. See you!